How to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you search for someone on Snapchat and add them directly, it will notify them with added by search. But if you don't want that to show up, here's how you can do it differently. First, open Snapchat and use the search bar to look up to the person you want to add. Let's say their name is Jamie. Once you find their profile, don't add them directly from the search results. Instead, tap on their name to open their profile. Next, in the top right corner of their profile and choose send profile to. Type your own username in the search field and send their profile to yourself. This will send the profile link straight to your chat. Now, go to your chat section and open the message you sent to yourself. From there, tap add friend to add them. When you do it this way, the notifications you receive won't say added by search. It won't have any tag at all. It's just blank. Snapchat doesn't allow you to change it to something like added by quick add. But at least it won't say search, which is what we are avoiding. And here we go. Now you know how to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. That's all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.